Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have a jailbroken iPhone and Cydia installed. Start now by backing up your device to iCloud or iTunes so you can restore if needed. Next, open Cydia and add a trusted repository that hosts dynamic island tweaks. This is essential because stock Cydia repos may not carry the tweak. Once added, refresh sources and search for the dynamic island package name. Make sure compatibility notes match your iOS version before proceeding to install. Now you install the tweak and required dependencies. Tap Install in Cydia and review the dependency list to avoid missing libraries. After installation, reboot or respring when Cydia prompts you. This ensures the tweak hooks into Springboard correctly. Once your device restarts, go to Settings and find the Installed Tweak panel to configure animation style, size, and app integrations. You should test with a few example apps to confirm notifications, trigger the dynamic island effects. Finish by testing the dynamic island across common scenarios, incoming calls, music playback, and timers so you confirm correct placement and animations. If you encounter instability, boot into jailbreak safe mode or remove recently added tweaks that may conflict. This narrows the cause quickly. Make sure to update the tweak when the repo releases fixes, and if layout issues persist, try different configuration presets or report logs to the developer. One key tip: restore from backup only as a last.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.